Guys, this is Jocchan and today I'm about to go to DMV for a written test, a California written test. So yeah, wish me luck and hopefully I can pass the test. And Jocchan is sleeping right there. So yeah, I've learned a lot of stuff in the couple of weeks. Last couple of weeks I've learned through YouTube and then the apps and then the free DMV test. So hopefully it should be okay. Alright, I will share to you later my experience, and I'm taking this DMV written test in Rancho Cucamonga because the DMV in my city, husband bear say that it's crowded. So yeah, I'm taking it at a different city. They say that he said that Rancho Cucamonga DMV is way better, way faster. So yeah, let's see. Oh, yeah. Hi guys, finally I passed for the written test. Yay! Now I'm in the what is that, instruction permit. So if I drive, husband bear, Jocchan need to accompany me. For then this is a last for 12 months period, and then DMV Rancho, my experience is good, awesome. We just went there for 1 hour, around 1 hour.
About an hour, maybe a little bit over.
Maybe 1 hour and 1.5 hour, and then yeah, it's good, it's great. Okay guys, I just went home, and then I would like to share how step by step I applied for the instruction permit, because to get a driving license in California, first things first, we need to apply for instruction permit, and how I applied. So first things first, I opened an account in dmv.ca.gov, and then I filled the form that is needed, and make sure that you need to prepare your identity, your social security number, and then your birth date, and then your legal presence in the US, and your residency in California. And then they have checklists. So basically, because I came here with a K1 visa, so I need to prepare my EAD card, employment authorization document, and then notice of action, the I-797C for EAD, the original one, and then social security card that I just mentioned, and then medical documents, because this one is optional, the legal presence in the US and the residency in California. I mean optional is you can choose either two, I think, either two, yeah. So what I chose is medical documents and bank and financial institution records. And then when I came there, it was around 10, and then it's a bit raining, so maybe it helps to not many people came to DMV Rancho. And then I just standing up there, only just couple of minutes, not that long. And then the staff asked me, they're really friendly to me. They asked me the things that I brought, because after applied online, they will give us checklist what documents that we need to bring, and then I brought it. They check it, yeah, they check it, and then after that they ask me to wait the video that previously I showed to you. So we wait with the social distancing, and then after that they caught my number, and then like they asked me to pay, or because I applied the driving license plus real ID, so I paid $38, and then because I paid with the debit card, they charged me a bit more, 88 cents, I guess. And then I paid with debit card, and then afterwards they asked me for the vision test. Basically, they have like the alphabet letter in the, like if you go to optician, so they asked me to read that letter, some letters, some number, and then like close my eyes, like one of my eyes, and then read again another line, and then close the other eyes, and then read again another eye, and then yeah, that's all. And then like they told me to go to the photography camera to take picture. And then yeah, the difference with Indonesia, in Indonesia they prepared mirror. They prepared mirror when we take picture. Here in California they don't care, and they even didn't ask whether, oh, are you sure, is this okay, is this picture okay. But then like they just silent. It's a bit different than Indonesia, but then overall thankfully my picture is good. And then after that they told me to go to proceed to do the written test. And then yeah, it's okay, the written test I did, it's like yeah, it's pretty much similar with the material that the DMV provided on YouTube. And then they have free tests as well in their website. So it's kind of similar. And then like I learned from apps on phone as well before before that. So yeah. And then afterwards it's just done. And then yeah, they told me basically to have a supervision, like I can drive now, but I need to be supervised by adults that over 25 years old, that has a driving license in California. So yeah, that's my experience. So if you would like to take a test in California, especially South California, I recommend the DMV Rancho because my experience is good with them. And then yeah, prepare yourself with the YouTube. They have YouTube channel, DMV no, I think it's DMV. Yeah. DMV has channel on YouTube, and you can check it. Maybe I can put the link below so you can check, and then just practice many times basically, so you can pass the first time, the written test. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some insight before you take your DMV test. And yeah, it's different state, I think it's different rule. So yeah, good luck guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like.